How KYC verification works on crypto exchanges is a question many people have when they start their journey in the world of cryptocurrency. At first, the process might seem complicated, but in reality, it follows a clear system that's designed to protect both you and the exchange itself. In this video, we'll break it all down step by step, so you can fully understand what's going on when you go through KYC verification on a crypto platform. Let's start at the very beginning. When you first sign up on a crypto exchange, you usually only need to provide an email address or a phone number. At this stage, your account has very limited functionality. You might be able to browse the platform, check prices, or even make small deposits. But when it comes to actual trading, withdrawals, or accessing larger limits, you'll find that the platform requires you to complete KYC verification. This is where the real process begins. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a standard procedure that financial institutions, including crypto exchanges, must follow to comply with international regulations. The goal of KYC is to make sure the exchange knows who is using their platform, to prevent money laundering, terrorist financing, fraud, and other illegal activities. So what happens once you begin KYC? The first step is the submission of your personal information. The exchange will ask for your full legal name, your date of birth, your nationality, and your current residential address. In many cases, you'll need to provide proof of address as well, which could be a recent utility bill, a bank statement, or even a government letter that shows your name and address. Sometimes, exchanges will also ask about your occupation or the source of your funds. After you've provided your basic details, the next stage is identity document submission. This is one of the most important parts of KYC. You'll usually be asked to upload a clear photo or scan of a government-issued ID. This could be your passport, your national identity card, or your driver's license. Some platforms require you to upload both the front and back of the document, depending on the type of ID. But it doesn't stop there. Most exchanges also require a form of biometric verification to ensure the ID truly belongs to you. This is often done through a selfie, a short video, or a liveness detection check. In liveness detection, the system makes sure you're not just uploading a static photo of someone else, but are a real person present in front of the camera. Now let's talk about what happens behind the scenes once you've submitted your documents. Exchanges use a combination of automated technology and manual checks to verify your identity. On the automated side, they use tools like optical character recognition, or OCR, to scan the text from your ID and match it with the information you entered. They also use AI-powered fraud detection to analyze the photo of your ID for any signs of tampering, forgery, or digital alteration. In addition, the exchange checks your details against international watch lists and databases. These include sanction lists from organizations like the Office of Foreign Assets Control, Interpol alerts, and other government-maintained lists that flag individuals who may be involved in criminal or terrorist activities. If there's a match or something suspicious, your application might be flagged for further review. This is where manual verification comes in. Human compliance officers may step in to double-check your application if the automated system is uncertain. They might look more closely at your documents, compare your selfie with your ID photo, or check the proof of address more carefully. This manual step ensures accuracy and fairness in the decision-making process. Once all these checks are complete, the exchange will either approve or reject your KYC application. If your verification is approved, your account is upgraded to verified status. This means you can start trading with higher limits, deposit larger amounts, and withdraw funds without restrictions. On the other hand, if your application is rejected, the exchange usually provides a reason, such as blurry photos, mismatched details, or expired documents. In most cases, you'll be able to reapply by fixing the issue and submitting your documents again. But the process doesn't just end there. Even after your KYC is approved, exchanges continuously monitor accounts for unusual activity. For example, if you suddenly make very large transactions, transfer funds to high-risk regions, or display unusual trading patterns, the exchange may temporarily freeze your account and ask for additional verification. This is known as transaction monitoring, and it's part of ongoing compliance with anti-money laundering laws. Some exchanges also conduct periodic re-KYC, meaning they'll ask you to update your documents or submit them again after a certain number of years. This is to ensure that the information they have remains current and accurate. So, to summarize the full process, here's how it works. You create an account with basic information. Then you provide personal details like your name, date of birth, and address. Next, you upload a government-issued ID along with a selfie or video for biometric verification. The exchange runs automated checks with OCR and fraud detection tools, and also cross-checks your data against global watch lists. If everything checks out, your account is verified and you gain full access to the platform. If there are issues, you're asked to resubmit. And even after approval, the exchange continues monitoring your activity for safety and compliance. Now, why is all of this important? Some users see KYC as a hurdle or even an invasion of privacy, but in reality, it plays a critical role in the safety of the crypto ecosystem. Without KYC, exchanges would become easy targets for criminals trying to launder money or finance illegal operations. KYC also protects honest users because it makes the platform safer, reduces fraud, and builds trust with regulators and banking partners. In fact, many exchanges can't even partner with banks unless they have a strong KYC process in place. For you as a trader or investor, completing KYC means more than just compliance. It allows you to access higher withdrawal limits, enjoy smoother transactions, and gives you peace of mind knowing that the platform is secure and trusted by regulators. It also means that if there's ever an issue with your account, you have proof of identity that can help resolve disputes more quickly. In conclusion, KYC verification on crypto exchanges is not just a bureaucratic step. It's a security measure that safeguards both the financial system and individual users. From signing up and submitting personal details to uploading IDs, going through biometric checks, and being continuously monitored. Every stage is designed to ensure transparency and trust. The next time you're asked to complete KYC on a crypto exchange, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes and why it matters. That's the full breakdown of how KYC verification works on crypto exchanges. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into cryptocurrency, finance, and smart investing.